Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about multiplicative and additive situations, which then you can create an equation and a graph and a table. Okay, so with your partners in your small groups, we're going to want y'all, we're in a small group, the breakout room. We want y'all to go ahead and solve for A and B, and then come back and I'm going to do the first A together. We're going to do Angie's together, and then we want y'all to do May's, okay? And then you're going to make a reflection on how you can use the tables to determine which girl is walking faster and how you could use the graph. So Angie's walking speed is 5 kilometers per hour, and Mary's is 4 kilometers per hour. Use the tables and graph to show how the distance each girl's walks is related to time. So here we're going to look at time is your x, right? This is going to be our x. And the distance is our y. We've talked about independent and dependent variables, and you can't travel distance if you don't have time. So distance is dependent on time. Therefore, time is independent. So we know that they told us that she can walk 5 kilometers in 1 hour. So you see that relationship here. And then 2, how do you get 2 to 10? That would be times 5. So the rule here is times 5. X times 5. 3 times 5 is 15, and 4 times 5 is 20. Now let's look at, and if we're gonna make an equation here, you know that if you have x times 5 equals your y. So you have 5x is equal to y is your equation. You are going to do May's. I'm going to go down here to the graph. We're going to plot the points for the table and then connect the lines. So my ordered pair, I'm going to write these out in kind of an ordered pair form. I'm going to say Angie. I have my X and my Y, and I have a 1, 5, 2, and 10, 3, and 15, and 4, and 20. Now I'm going to graph these, 1 and 5. Now here, if you look at the graph, they're counting by 4s with intervals of 2, so that would be 6, 10, and 14. So 5 is going to be between the 6 and the 4. So that would be 1 and 5, right? Right in between there, 2 and 10. 3 and 15. Again, 3 is going to come in between the 14 and the 16, and then 4 and 20. Okay, and then when you connect the lines, there you have our graph. Okay? Now you're going to finish and complete May, and then there's also the answer key that you can check and make sure your answers are correct for Angie and May, and make sure that you record your reflection, and we will ask some of y'all to share these in the Zoom. Thank you.